Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing very good. So today's video is going to be like I'm going to wear outfits which are totally like out of my comfort zone, and like not only out of my comfort zone, but I won't wear them and they are lying in my wardrobe. I've never worn them, or maybe once or twice, and they're out of my style and I just don't like them. They are not comfortable. That's it. And quarantine is here and we are like in our homes in the lockdown, so it's a very good time to try stuff which is you would never wear, or something which is totally not your style, not in your comfort zone, and switch up your style a little bit. So I thought of doing this video. So I hope that you will like this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started with the video. So for day one, I'm being very simple, and actually for most of you it's going to be a very comfy outfit, and similarly I'm feeling the same. So like I just don't like wearing sleeveless, but it looks good, to be honest. It looks really good, and I'm paired up with my tracks, which are the comfiest thing in the whole world. I just live in them. I love my track pants. I'm wearing this top, which is a sleeveless top, not really that sleeveless, paired up with track pants. So today is day 2 of wearing clothes out of my comfort zone. So for today, I'm wearing a bodycon dress. So actually I love dresses because they are really comfortable, but I really don't like wearing bodycon dresses because they are uncomfortable AF. Like it's too sticking to your body, and I really don't like body hugging clothes. I don't know why, but since the whole day I've been wearing this dress only, and I don't know why, but these dresses, like everything which I'm wearing, is pretty comfortable till now, till day 2. Let's see what will happen next. But I really love this dress, the way it fits me, the way it suits my body. That's really nice. So basically my outfit is the very bodycon dress, and it has some patches over here. If you could see, like there was a trend going on like some years back of, and I used to make patches as well, but these are the patches which was there, like a popcorn burger. And yeah, so I love this, and it was really trending at the time. I really love patches. Hey guys, so today is day 3 and I'm back again, and for today I'm wearing like a plain black top, as you can see, and my bottom is like leggings. I could live in jeans. I freaking love skinny jeans and they suit my body type a lot, but I just don't like these leggings which you really wear in gym. Normal black leggings, I don't even own that. So I just don't like this concept of leggings or jeggings or whatsoever. I just don't like them. They're too thin and I just don't like them. It's very uncomfortable for me, very sticky. I just don't like them. So today I thought of wearing that because that's totally like not in my comfort zone. I just feel very uncomfortable in that and simply wanted to try it. And actually I don't really like sporty look that much. Like in the day 1 it was very sporty, and today as well it's a little sporty gymmy type. So today is day 4, and today my outfit is like totally what I would never wear. So these days, like whatever I wore is like it's comfortable, but that's what not my style is. Like I would never prefer wearing that stuff. So like sporty things or really tight stuff, it's not my style basically. And also like I used to love wearing floral stuff like flower prints and all, but now I only wear it on like the top where the blouses they are floral. That's okay, but my bottoms are all-time jeans and tracks, joggers, and plazo pants. That is what my lower are, and I don't like wearing shorts. For today's outfit I'm wearing skirt, which is a mixture of skirt and a short. Basically it's a divided skirt. So this is the top. I feel they are too kiddish. That's my opinion. People live in them, they love it. Simply my opinion. I don't like shorts that much. Day 5 or day, yes, it's today's day 5 of wearing outfits which are out of my comfort zone. So I'm running out of ideas, and simply I don't know what should I do. Like I'm wearing something which is really good. I just love this outfit. I don't know why, but I used to hate wearing these bell bottoms, and I don't know why. Like my outfit is like a very printed slogan tee. I don't wear slogan tees now. These are the denims, like if you could see, and this is the the t-shirt I'm wearing. So today is day 6 and today my outfit is like totally like out of my comfort zone, but I really like this outfit. So if you could see already, I'm wearing a tube top which is pretty trending, but I am not comfortable. Like for a person who's not comfortable in sleeveless, I'm comfortable in off shoulder, but there's something right here, but here there's nothing. But I feel like it was a good experience because I have to spend my time all around in my home, so it's pretty good. But yeah, I like it. It looks pretty cute, like girl next door kind of outfit, and I'm paired up with my denims, which are pretty comfortable. But I like this outfit a lot. And tube top which is lavender in color and has a tie-up thing, bow kind of thing, paired up with some straight jeans which are nice and comfortable. And yeah, that's the outfit. Hey guys, so today is day 7, which is the last day of wearing outfits which are out of my comfort zone. And for today I've been wearing the most, I just hate this. Okay, there's no word. I'm wearing a spaghetti with shrug, which is totally my style. I love this, but I'm wearing denim shorts, which I completely hate. I just don't know. They're too kiddish and they're not my style. I just feel they're too kiddish. I'm like more of jeans person. I don't even like capris. I don't even own them. But today my outfit is this. I'm gonna show you my outfit. So I'm wearing this shrug and the shorts, if you're able to see in the frame. Yeah, these are the shorts which are like really uncomfortable according to me, and with the spaghetti top. So I hope that you will like this video, the concept of wearing outfits which are out of your comfort zone. And yeah, so please give this video all the love and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys.